Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some drying conditions as we saw a good amount of rainfall last night. Saw about an inch of rainfall last night into this morning. Currently see some drying conditions across the region, but that'll be short-lived. We see some showers and thunderstorms develop for later this afternoon in the evening hours. Also can't rule out a brief sprinkle throughout the day before those showers and thunderstorms start to move through the area. We'll see highs today mild in the lower 70s, it appears now. We'll see slightly breezy winds as well as they start to pick up out of the southwest for later this morning in the afternoon hours. We'll see that cold front move through for later on this evening, and then we'll see some cooler conditions the next few days across the region with below normal temperatures likely. Taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, freezing level at 8,900 feet, winds out of the southwest in the low levels, and fairly strong from 25 knots up to about 40 knots in the low levels, and seeing our winds continue to increase less drastically as we move up in the upper levels, however, only up to 60 knots, only about a 20 knots of shear between 9 and 25,000 feet this morning. Winds continue out of the southwest and move up in the upper levels as well. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have a cold front that's over the Appalachian Mountains. That's going to be advancing to the east across our region. Looks like that cold front should move through around midnight tonight, and in advance of that, should see those showers and thunderstorms start to pop across the region, and giving us about a 25% chance of a thunderstorm and a decent chance of a shower moving through, about a 60% chance of some showers. So taking a look at our current visible imagery this morning, satellite imagery, you can see we do have lots of cloud coverage out there this morning, and about 2,500 feet with the lowest deck, so we are seeing some conditions below VFR levels as of this morning. And look at the HER model for the next 24 hours or so. You can see those showers and thunderstorms popping up across the region. This is 4 p.m. or 1600 local, and moving on to 8 p.m. You can see some showers across the region as well as some thunderstorms, and then seeing looks like a decent chance of some showers as well right before midnight as that front moves through. And moving overnight, we'll see in general clearing skies. Going to see anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy skies tomorrow morning. And then for throughout the afternoon tomorrow, should see mostly sunny skies. Much cooler conditions, however, as an upper level low moves over the eastern United States, giving us some cooler air mass across the region. Taking a look at the European model the next few days, see those showers and possible thunderstorms moving through for this afternoon and evening. Then Tuesday, dry conditions, and continuing to Wednesday and into Thursday. We'll see a high pressure move off the coast on Thursday into Friday. That's going to give us slightly warmer conditions for the end of the week compared to tomorrow and Wednesday. Once we move in the weekend, European continues to show an area low pressure moving up the coast, giving us some showers on Sunday. GFS is not showing that at this time, so looks like right now this solution may be the outlier among the models. So we'll continue to monitor this of whether we'll see some active weather or some more unsettled conditions moving the region for the second half of the weekend, possibly early next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high around 71, a low tonight of 49, southwesterly winds gusting up to about 23, 24 knots possible for later this morning in the afternoon hours. Should see those winds below 25 knots, but can't rule out a gust up to 25 knots. We'll see winds take over out of the north at 7, 12 knots, gusting to 16 knots after that front moves through around midnight tonight. As far as the rain shower chances and the thunderstorm chances go, looks like we continue to see a slight chance of a sprinkle from now through the day, but we'll see a better chance of those showers moving through after 1600 local, as well as a 25% chance of a thunderstorm. And we'll see a slight chance of some reduced visibilities as well as lower ceilings within those thunderstorms moving through the area. As far as the 24-hour terminal forecast goes, we'll see those sky conditions with the broken deck around 24 to 2,500 feet this morning, and then should see those ceilings lift above 3,000 feet after noon today, and should see some peaks of sunshine as well, with most models indicating we'll see some clearing in the low to mid levels for this afternoon before we see those showers and thunderstorms move back through towards the area after 1600 local. As I mentioned, 25% chance from 1600 local till midnight tonight. And then by tomorrow morning, anyway, from partly to mostly cloudy skies, some clouds around 6,000 feet. Looks like they'll be in the region. Our tides are currently slightly above normal, and looking at Tuesday and Wednesday, green charts across the board. Tuesday, partly cloudy to mostly sunny and cooler. a high of 58 degrees. Tuesday night, mostly clear and cold, a low of 38. And for Wednesday, mostly sunny during the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy in the afternoon, slightly breezy, and we'll see a high once again at 58 degrees. So next 7 days, we'll see that warmer condition today at 71, then much cooler for Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures with highs in the upper 50s. Lows looks like they'll be in the upper 30s, possibly mid-30s for Wednesday morning. And we'll see, looks like lows in the lower 40s here along the coast on Thursday morning, but once again in the 30s inland. And we'll see temperatures starting to moderate as that high moves off the coast, seeing more southwesterly flow on Friday, back in the mid-60s. And then looks like we'll see 70s for the weekend with low to mid-70s likely for both Saturday and Sunday. And as I mentioned before, Sunday, question mark right now whether that system does eventually move up the coast with some showers in the region. But right now that looks fairly unlikely as the European model looks like the outlier as of this time. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back with you tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.